Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. Turn on the bell. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday, but I'm gonna bring you guys along a whole day of eating, and to start off is breakfast, of course, and I wanted to share with you some of my go-to meals, and one of my go-to breakfast meals are overnight oats. I've been making this for months. My fiance and I love having this and meal prepping all of these on a Sunday, so we have it for the entire week. They do last up to 5 days in your fridge, so that's why meal prepping this on a Sunday is a perfect breakfast to do. Just meal prep 5 of them, you'll have them for the whole week and you're good to go. Then I'm gonna bring you guys along the rest of the day, share with you guys some of my new favorite snacks and just some meals that I'm going to have throughout, and this will be a healthy and realistic what I eat in a day. This is all of the ingredients that you will need. I just have my quick oats, and then I have some plain Greek yogurt. Over here I just have some ground cinnamon, natural peanut butter, and then of course I have unsweetened almond milk. Also at the end you need some form of fruit. I typically like to add either berries, bananas, or both, so really just depends how I'm feeling, but that is just another ingredient you will need. The first thing I take is half a cup of oats, half a cup of almond milk, put it into the mixture, a tablespoon to a couple tablespoons of Greek yogurt to add some protein, a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This will also add more protein. Sprinkle some cinnamon. I am just going to mix it all together. This is how it should look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on it and put it into the fridge. I like to have it sit for at least an hour before I put on my fruit. But like I said, this can stay up to 5 days in your fridge. So when you're gonna eat it throughout the week, just take it out and throw the fruit of choice on top. While I'm waiting for that to chill in the fridge for at least an hour or so, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you my go-to coffee. So I stopped drinking coffee for a good few months. I didn't have one sip of coffee, and I may or may have not started drinking coffee a little bit again, but this time, instead of relying on coffee and drinking multiple coffees a day, I've just been drinking it sometimes and not every single day, and I feel a lot better when doing that. Before, I was completely relying on coffee. I was drinking multiple cups a day. I was super dehydrated. I felt like I could not survive the day without my coffee, but now I just have it when I'm kind of feeling up to it. And this is my go-to coffee, where it honestly tastes so delicious. It tastes like you're having a dessert. Let me just bring you over to the coffee station. I am totally an iced coffee girl, I'm not going to lie. Let me know if you prefer iced coffees or just regular hot coffee. It doesn't matter if it's winter or summer. I could always go for a good iced coffee. This over here is just my little coffee station, everything that I will be using for my go-to iced coffee. So I'm just going to take the Tim Hortons Original Blend Keurig cup. I do use different ones. Sometimes I'll use Nespressos, or I'll just use like coffee grounds. It really is up to personal choice. Fridge for a little bit. I like it super cold. Now that I let my oats sit for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and I'm gonna just put my fruit in. I typically put mixed berries in, but today I'm feeling some banana, so I think I'm just gonna chop up a banana and just throw that on top. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my water and drink this, of course, throughout the day. But I took my first bite and it was absolutely delicious as always. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. I totally recommend bunch of stuff in here. There's just some black beans, there's celery, onions, carrots, and it really gets in those veggies. Soup done. This was honestly delicious. This is my new go-to snacks, and that is rice cake. So this is the caramel chocolate chip rice cake. I also have a bunch other flavors that are more the salty flavor, but I'm feeling something sweet, so I went ahead and picked these up. And I've been seeing them all over TikTok. People have been raving about it, and I picked it up and I'm obsessed. Whenever I want something sweet, this is what I go for. And I like to add a little bit of Greek yogurt on top. Rice cakes have been what I've been loving to snack on. Such a quick, easy snack, 10 out of 10 recommend. Now that dinner time is right around the corner, I wanted to start to prep my meal because I am going to be making quinoa salad, but I wanted to make bulk so I have enough for the rest of the week to kind of meal prep. This is a really easy meal to make, but it's super healthy and it's really yummy as well. So I'm probably gonna just add some veggies into it and add some chicken to get some protein. And I'm just gonna share with you my go-to quinoa salad and the dressing as well. So stay tuned, super simple to make, super healthy, and my go-to healthy meals. This is just the tricolor quinoa. It is a blend of black, red, and golden quinoa. I picked this up from Costco. And to cook my quinoa, I am just going to use half organic chicken broth, and then the other half is just gonna be water. These two are also from Costco. I really like these. These are the ones that have no salt added. So this is always the broth I will go for. I just find when cooking your quinoa with half chicken broth, it just gives it a little bit more flavor. So I'm gonna probably do 2 cups, I think, of my quinoa, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it right now before I throw it into the pot. I finished dinner, and for my last snack, I am just having some cut up kiwi, and this is going to be the last thing I have for the rest of the night. That completes my what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link a bunch of my other ones I've done down below because there's a lot more with different recipes and different food ideas, so definitely check those out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you did. Click the subscribe button. I would love for you to join my family. I do post every Tuesday and Thursday, but make sure you guys do have the bell on to be notified when I drop a video. I also do have a Patreon where I upload 2 to 3 more videos there every single month, and I share a lot more personal things, so if you guys want to check that out as well, I will have the link down below. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!